Vidyanidhi Education Society, complete teachers training solutions.
Your genuine love, care and concern for children can be translated into a lifelong career as a teacher. Welcome to VES. We will help you in this translation. Vidyanidhi Education Society is a renowned government-registered teacher training institute. We offer a bunch of brilliant teacher training programs. Our mission is to render meticulous training in methods of child teaching. We teach theoretical aspects and impart training in practical aspects as well. The various courses on offer are Diploma in Early Childhood Care and Education, Diploma in Early Childhood Education, Diploma in Montessori Teacher Training, Diploma in Nursery Teacher Training and Diploma in Pre-Primary Teacher Training. The course duration is 6 months to 1 year and anyone who has passed 10 plus 2 level or above is qualified to enroll for the diploma programs at VES. The modes of study we offer are regular or in-class mode, wherein the lectures are conducted only in Mumbai, that is in India. Distance or correspondence mode, wherein the study material are couriered to you directly at your doorstep. Online or e-learning mode, wherein the study materials are sent to you via email. The features of a regular or in-class mode of study are year-round admissions are open, economical fee structure, world-class infrastructure, veteran trainers, weekday Monday to Friday batches or weekend Saturday or Sunday batches. Morning, afternoon and evening batch timings on offer. 1 month internship is provided and workshops are conducted for craft, rhymes, phonics, etc. The features of our distance or online mode of study are programs can be undertaken from around the world. All year-round admissions are open. Course material includes theory and practicals. Dedicated coordinator, timely feedbacks given, evaluation on basis of assignments. Traveling is not required at all. This course can be done from the comfort of your home. VES opens doors to teach in prestigious schools or to establishing and running your own childcare service around the world. You are welcome to call us for further queries or information. Our business hours are between 9 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Landline 022-2894-5954 or 2894-5538. Mobile 9869546913 or 9869866277. We are here to help. Please feel free to mail us or visit our websites for further queries or information. Our email ID is inquiry@teachertrainingmumbai.com or you can even log into our website, that is www.teachertrainingmumbai.com or www.teachertrainingindia.co.in. We are here to assist. To get to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect us on LinkedIn, join us on Google+. Thank you.